This video explores moving beyond helplessness, offering an Islamic blueprint for resistance. We aim to transform paralysis into power in an age of crisis. We begin with the paralysis of the safe, the feeling of safety guilt, and the trap of believing your actions are meaningless. This feeling is not piety, but a misunderstanding of your specific historical role. Fatalism is not faith. Using destiny to excuse injustice or laziness is a myth. Negligence is not fate. True reliance, or tawakkul, involves taking all necessary precautions first. The architecture of agency distinguishes between the sphere of divine law and the sphere of free will. You are responsible for the attempt, the acquisition of the act, through intent, not the ultimate result. The capacity equation is based on the Quranic verse. Allah does not burden a soul beyond its capacity. Resistance operates on 3 levels: heart, tongue, and hand. The mandatory question is, am I fulfilling my specific capacity? Prayer is dynamic destiny. It's a weapon that can repel divine decree. Prayer is a valid cause to engage with the sphere of divine law, as exemplified by Prophet Ayub. Economic resistance is about dismantling the machine. Boycott corporate machinery that links consumer money to oppression, whether through military, construction, tech, or consumer activities. The power of the purse uses zakat as a tool for social justice. Audit your wealth, including pension funds and endowments, to ensure you are not inadvertently funding human rights violations. The goal is qist, or justice. The noble struggle highlights defiance in Pakistan, a, quote, punitive state under military control. Figures like Imran Khan and Arshad Sharif exemplify the struggle, alongside peaceful protesters met with live ammunition. The diaspora's duty means your safety is a tool. Leverage your rights and legal channels to combat transnational repression, protecting activists and their families. Action items include supporting the Pakistan Democracy Act. The minimum standard is moral clarity, the heart level of resistance. Refuse to normalize oppression. Refuse to dehumanize any people, and refuse selective morality based on politics. The danger is moral numbness. A global tafsir of liberation demands consistency. Oppose tyranny everywhere, challenge hegemonic narratives, and view the Quran as a text fueling resistance against global inequality. Your resistance portfolio includes economic, political, and spiritual actions. This includes boycotting, contacting representatives, protecting dissidents, and weaponizing intentional dua and active patience. The custodian's mandate is that you are a Khalifa of this world. Islam holds you accountable for where you stood when history happened. A believer has accountability. Your stance in history is written by you.